What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my green smoothie recipe. So I've actually gone through a bunch of these types of green smoothies just because I'm constantly switching up ingredients and testing new things out. So this one has to be by far my favorite one. It literally feels like I'm drinking a chocolate banana milkshake, and it's just so good. And the ingredients in here are amazing. There's no artificial sweeteners. There's literally nothing that's just like unnecessary. So if you're someone that struggles with eating your greens throughout the day, or you just don't like vegetables and greens, this will be amazing for you because you can get tons of greens in right in the morning. It's going to keep you full for a long time, and it tastes really good. So without any further ado, let's get right on to the video. Okay, so I'm going to be using a beauty blender, NutriBullet, but I got the big cup because I like to put a lot of ice and a lot of spinach. So if you have the big cup, definitely go with that one. And then I'm gonna be adding a whole banana in here. You can do half, you can do a whole. It's really up to you how sweet you want it. Okay, so I added my banana and my ice. You can add as much ice as you want to. I like to add a good amount because I want it to be like chilly and cold. And then I add my almond milk, and this is original unsweetened almond milk. You can use coconut milk, oat milk, whatever it is that floats your boat. You can even add water. I've done this with water and it tastes really good, but I personally just would recommend anything that's not cow milk. And then just take a whole bunch of spinach, like a lot. I go through one of these like packets of spinach probably every 3-4 days with my smoothies, which is amazing because I wouldn't go through it if it wasn't for the smoothie. Like, I like salads, but it's not like I will just like crave a salad. So if I can have my greens in a smoothie, I totally will. And then I like to add some dates. So these are just like regular pitted dates, and I would suggest adding just like 1 to 3, no more than that, depending on how sweet you like it. I'm gonna do 2 for today. So dates just give it like a really natural, nice, sweet flavor without having like any artificial sweeteners or additives. So it's a really nice way to sweeten up any kind of smoothie that you have with something natural like this. Then I'm gonna blend this out just to make sure it all gets nice and blended and it's not completely full. And the dates do take a little bit to blend, so just make sure that you get all the little crumbs out and all the ice is blended. So that looks pretty good. It's really icy, kind of what we're going for. And now I'm gonna add all of my dry ingredients. So the first one that I like to add is cacao powder. And cacao powder is one of the best antioxidants in the world. It's amazing for your skin, for your nails, for everything. And I would definitely suggest taking cacao in any kind of smoothie that you do. It's just really like a healthy ingredient that you should incorporate in your diet, and it's like a strong chocolate flavor. So if you don't want to have a protein shake, like a chocolate protein shake, or add any like sweetness to it, you can just add this, and it's like that nice bitter chocolate flavor, but once you add the banana and the dates, it just tastes incredible. So I'll try to list some of the benefits of cacao powder, like raw cacao powder, not cocoa powder, in the video, just for you guys to get a good idea. And then the next powder I like to use is maca powder. So maca comes from the maca root, and it's basically, it smells like really nutty and like kind of not weird, but it smells like nutty. And it's amazing for energy, balancing your hormones. And I'll also list some of the benefits here, but obviously these are things that you have to be taking like continuously and for a while. You can't just expect to take it one time and be like, oh, it's magic. And then now I'm just adding a little bit of cinnamon. And if you don't want to add any protein, you can stop here, blend this out, and then you're good to go. But if you do want some protein, I like to add the OxyWhey lean protein formula from EHP Labs, and this is in chocolate. So I actually bought this brand a while ago. I bought a few of their products, and I liked their protein shake because it has 2 grams of carbs, which is really hard to find in a protein. Basically just like whey protein isolate and cacao powder, and it has just like a bunch of amino acids and good ingredients. So I like to add a scoop of this one, and this is not sponsored or affiliate, as I did mention. I bought it myself a while ago. And then the cool thing about adding protein powder is that when you blend it, it froths up. So you guys see like the shake is up to here. When I pull it out, it's probably gonna be up to here. So that gives me that like satiated, full feeling for such a long time because it gets like foamy and frothy. So you guys can see the shake is all the way here. So it rose like about this much. So I like to drink this right away because I want it to keep that foam that fills me up for a really long time. And this honestly, like even just smelling it smells like a banana chocolate milkshake. It smells so good. You get tons of amazing ingredients and all the fiber that you could possibly need for the day. If you are just terrible at eating greens throughout the day, I think this is an amazing way to get your greens in. I definitely would still suggest eating vegetables like with your other meals, but as far as like just green spinach, if you really struggle with that, you can definitely incorporate it into a smoothie and you won't even taste it. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you try this out and you like it, please give me a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments what you think. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. And until next time, I will see you guys later.